What we do is very complex, building high-performance automobiles that are safe, increasingly integrating new technologies. No one company can do it on their own. So you need collaboration.
One of the central promises of Project Aero is for us to demonstrate connected and autonomous technology from a Canadian perspective. And so what we really need is the vehicle's eyes and ears to be as strong as anybody else's. In that world, LeddarTech is our best and biggest player.
So at the end, our agreement with LeddarTech allows us to integrate LeddarVision stack together with our cutting-edge sensor technologies like cameras, as Albert mentioned, radars, IMUs. Through this collaboration, at the end, we would enable OEMs to offer an improved experience on parking scenarios.